Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a photo in a Telegram group without triggering that notification sound for everyone, you're in the right place. This quick update will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. First, open Telegram on your phone and head straight to the group where you want to share your photo. Make sure you're inside the chat so you can access the message tools. Next, decide how you want to add your photo. You can either take a new one by tapping the camera icon or upload an existing image from your gallery by tapping the attachment icon. Choose the photo you want and get it ready to send. Now here's the key step that most people miss. Instead of tapping the send button like you normally would, press and hold the send button. Don't just tap it quickly. Holding it down will bring up a small menu with extra options. From that menu, select Send Without Sound. This tells Telegram to deliver your photo silently without notifying group members with a sound alert. It's perfect for late-night sharing, large groups, or when you don't want to interrupt others. Once you tap that option, your photo will be sent instantly, but quietly. People in the group will still receive and see your image, just without the usual notification noise. That's all there is to it. It's a simple feature, but incredibly useful once you know where to find it. Try it out the next time you're sharing something in a busy group.